Welcome to At Home with Gigi. I'm Gwen. Today we're going to be upcycling this candle holder. Sweet friend gave it to me a couple of years ago before she passed, and I haven't gotten around to recycling it. It just needs a really good refresh and makeover, and that's what we're going to do. I'm just going to start by removing these flowers, and once I have all those removed, I really didn't think I was going to be able to salvage the grapevine wreath, but I just decided to just flip it over because I couldn't get that glue off. And then I'm going to start by adding in these green pieces, and these came from the Dollar Tree. Once you finish placing the zip ties, you will want to snip off those ends and then just kind of turn that sharp edge piece in towards the vase so you don't cut your fingers. Next, we're going to be adding in these gorgeous yellow roses, and these came from Michael's. They were actually a wedding bouquet, and y'all, I've had these for forever. I'm just going to cut everything down because I don't want to waste any of these flowers from this beautiful bouquet, and I'm just going to use hot glue to attach them to the grapevine wreath. My friend that gave me this vase absolutely adored yellow roses, so I thought this would be a great way to honor her memory and to create something beautiful and spring-like, and I cannot wait for y'all to see the end result. Of course, as I always tell you, this is just an idea, and what I happen to have on hand, you can use whatever colors that you prefer or whatever flowers that you have already. Thank you so much for stopping by and taking the time to watch my video. If you're new here, drop me a comment down below and say hi and tell me where you're from. If you're returning, thank you so much for returning. I truly appreciate you. We're going to add in some of this beautiful lavender, and if I remember right, this came from Walmart as well. I've had this on hand for quite some time, guys, just using it in other projects, and I think it is the perfect little pop of color for this project, and it's just giving me French country vibes. I'd like to know what your thoughts are, and it is just so beautiful for spring, and it's just such an easy upcycle. Thrift flips, you might have something on hand that just needs a little TLC. Take what you have on hand and you can absolutely create something so beautiful on such a small budget. Well, thank you so much for being here today. I truly appreciate you. If you liked my video, I hope you'll consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, what you waiting for? It's absolutely free, and it would mean the world to me. Thank you again, and I'll see you soon.